Hi everyone! In this video, I will show you how to create a thumbnail from text to image with a persona. Let's start. In this case, I will choose the persona, it's Cristiano Ronaldo. However, you are able to create as much personas you want for free. After choosing the persona, we write the prompt. I have prepared a prompt just to save time. I'm gonna make the window a bit bigger just so you're able to read it. Now, after you have chosen the persona, you write the prompt, you click generate with persona here. You will receive a message to say high quality AI generation typically takes 3 to 5 minutes. Please be patient. However, it will take around 40 seconds. Lovely. Here we have our design. And as you see, we received exactly the design from the prompt. I have asked to write ClipKraft on the bottle with 2P, and it has done the same. Everything what I asked in the prompt. Now, let's download the image first. After that, we can, if we want a new design or more options, we can just click on regenerate scene here, and it will generate a new design for you. That's beautiful. Here we have a new design with a new bottle design and so on. Now, if you want to regenerate more, you can click on regenerate as much you like, of course. And let's download. Now the image is downloaded. Let's try AI edit first. And then click apply edit here. We wait a few seconds and we will see the new changes. And that's fantastic. It has changed the t-shirt to yellow and the hat to white up there, as you see. And you can adjust colors here. We click on adjust colors. And of course, you can just drag the bar to left or to right for brightness, contrast, saturation. After that, you are able to, of course, reset if you want to restart again. And if you're happy, you click on save adjusted version here. And now we have the new version. Of course, you can download it also. And now the last, let's try text editor. Now you're able to add text. So let's just write Cristiano. Now we choose the text color. I will choose red, and we can choose also the outline colors. I will choose blue this time. And sorry, I choose black here. So you can change it to blue if you want and so on. But let's keep it to black now. And now you can move the text and you can resize it as much you want. You can resize it also from here or with the mouse, as you like. After that, when you're happy, you can click Save Image, and now the image has been saved with the new changes. Thank you very much, and I see you in the next video.